gonna just milk this cow.
You're going to sit on the cow. Oh, very good. Milk the cow.
So now I'm gonna bring it over everywhere. Let me get a cow because I'm
It's a very small cow. The calf.
Oh, another cow. Oh.
Yeah. So then we're going to go right here to milk.
Into the dairy. That's the dairy.
We're gonna clean the milk. We're gonna clean it out.
Oh, don't push it. Don't pour it down the sink.
So yeah, and then we're up here, and then
yes.
I'm gonna drink this.
Okay.
And we're gonna get it.
Oh, and fill it up.
And then turn it off, and then it's back in our place.
I thought that was my doggy.
And then we have the professor who makes sure she examines the animals. So yeah.
Wow.
She has. Look, they even have plugs. They even have plugs.
You want to give me...
Is everybody?
I have to tell you to go.
So you went out just when you went out to
We're
start
gonna have a sugar.
Let's
plant some of these.
Very good.
On the bike.
Let me get a water
Breaking
tank.
is the problem.
No, we started the breaking.
Yeah.
We did it coming.
You only have to fall off a few times.
There,
What happened to him when he fell off?
He fell off the bike and he fell on his side.
There's some blueberries for
sore on the which arm is the SES?
We're making blueberry milk today.
Blueberry milk.
SES.
Wow.
Is it changing?
No, it doesn't seem to be changing.
It looks like it is a bit.
Oh, it is changed. Yes, well done.
It did change.
Oh, very good. Oh, using the same blueberry all the time. Are you all right, mister?
I think you have to get a different.
What happened?